very few periods of consolidation in this name. We can highlight just about two of them. And if you were not paying attention, you may have very well missed it only because its ranges are so large. We also have had a nice area consolidation around here. So Shopify is typifying the very nature of price structure and price action, i.e., moving from period of balance or consolidation to period of imbalance and price discovery, back to an area of balance and consolidation, and now breaking out to a new level of price discovery. Where can buyers and sellers agree to a new price based on incoming information and future uh, prospects of the company? If we take it down to the lower time frame, we can see that having broken out of this area here at 400, Shopify has continued to stack gains week on week on week. That does not mean it has been necessarily an easy trade because, again, of the wide ranges. And so there has been ample meat on the bones for both longs and shorts within these very wide weekly ranges. Yet, when it comes to closing prices, Shopify has closed week on week on week on week on week higher. They had earnings announced last week and it gapped up, continued going, made a new all-time high at 593.89, sold off, held, has begun to form a bit of a range here, and possibly maybe popping back up into that range if we do have any gap up strength in the market on Tuesday morning. However, keeping it simple, smarty to the downside, if we cannot break back into the bottom of this range where we are at now, or the middle of the range here at around 541, 542, if this gets rejected, then we can definitely see some fireworks, a very quick rug pull to the downside back into fill this gap here at 499. Definitively, I would be looking for a reaction there at 499. Those who missed out on the Shopify train to 593 would definitely be looking at that $100 discount essentially and licking their chops. So this definitely might be an area where potential buyers may come in and support the stock. Look for a quick reversal because from a failed move comes a fast move. If we fail going down and buyers come in, we could have a very quick move right back into and above the top of this range here at 550. So definitely line in the sand. We're looking for 550, above 550 for continued momentum to the upside in Shopify. If we zoom back out to the monthly time frame, actually even to the quarterly time frame, this should even give us greater context as to not only the periods of consolidation that Shopify goes through, but the range expansion that happens afterward. So the range of this quarter was essentially 134 points. So even if at this point, using this level here at around 415, that gets us to, if you add another 134 to that, that gets us to 549 here. We've exceeded that thus far. So potentially we can tack on another of that range on top of it. So we can easily be looking at 680 on Shopify, a new range being created as a result of this monthly and quarterly breakout to the upside on Shopify. So I would not be in a hurry to short. I would definitely be looking for a long opportunity, possibly by selling some puts if we do attempt to fill the gap from Tuesday's earnings, then definitively I'll be probably looking to put on some 1 to 2 month uh, put spreads, credit put spreads, in order to lean against that level going forward as potentially buyers come in to support and press the stock higher. Tactically speaking, the best short opportunity would be if we have a slight gap up open on Tuesday morning, tomorrow, and we press just a tad into this range around 542. Watch for a reaction at that level, and if we begin to roll over, I would initiate a short, first of all looking for this 523 level, and a break beneath 523 then opens the floodgates into 500. On a tactical short-term basis, that seems to be the best asymmetric risk to reward opportunity. Besides that, Shopify has some established areas of price support that would possibly, doesn't really make sense